Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a casual conversation between Tom and Sarah, who are enjoying a meal together. Let's listen in and learn how they interact while eating. Let's call it Spicy Secrets, a friendly meal conversation.
This chili is fantastic. Do you know what makes it so spicy?
I think it's the blend of peppers and maybe some extra chili powder.
It definitely has a kick. I'm curious how you made it so flavorful.
It's all about layering the spices. I usually let it simmer for a while to develop the flavors.
I'll have to try that. Do you have any tips for getting the perfect balance?
Start with a little and taste as you go. You can always add more, but it's hard to take it out once it's in.
Great advice. I'll remember that next time I cook.
I'm sure it'll turn out great.
That would be awesome. The more, the merrier. It'll be great to have some company on the trails.
That's it for today's conversation. We hope you enjoyed it and picked up some useful tips. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more English learning content.